Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Right, so this week we are going to be doing a limewood bowl. Just had a mystery bowl blank 10% extra free box come in that I bought last week from Yandles come in, and I found a little limewood bowl blank in there, or blank in there. Never turned it before. I know it's quite a basic wood, but I've got a couple of ideas in my head which I want to put onto some walnut, but I didn't want to try it on the walnut first because the walnut's a bit more expensive, so I thought I'd try it on the lime with blank. If it goes well, great. If it doesn't, oh well. It can stay in the shop and be used to have screws and nuts and bolts thrown in it. But yeah, I just want to say a big thank you to the subscribers that have come over to my channel. It really does mean a lot, guys, so thank you very much for that. What else was I going to say? I was going to say something. It's gone. Never mind. Anyway, let's go over to the lathe. Let's start turning. See what happens. guys, so that's now cut back to 320 grit. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to add a couple of coats of sanding sealer, and then after that go over with the Yorkshire grit. Now I'm going to add some Wood Wax 22 finish. So guys, my apologies about the last bit of film, keep getting knocked. I just couldn't get the right angle where my lathe's set up. I couldn't get the right angle with the camera without keep knocking it. So I've had a little bit of tear out. I've hollowed it as much as I want to. So we'll try to follow the line on the inside as best I could. I'm going to clean it up with a bit of sandpaper now just to try and get some of that tear out down. See what we got with that. But yeah, it's coming on now. So let's crack on with the sanding and we'll see where we are at after that. I think I'm going to sand up to about 320 and then see what it's looking like. Right guys, so I am finished the limewood bowl. Am I happy with it? I like the shape. Do I like the wood? No. I don't know, to me it's just a very boring, bland wood. Nice to turn, I suppose. I got a bit of tear up, but my carbide bits are becoming a bit blunt. I do need to change them, so that could have been a factor in it. But yeah, I wasn't really that impressed with it. Also, unfortunately, on the foot, don't know if you guys can see that, I dropped it and broke it. So yeah, all in all, it's okay, and it will be staying in the shop to have things thrown inside it. But yeah, thank you very much for watching, guys. The shape I do like, so I will be trying to replica the shape. Well, see, again, nearly dropped it again. What is going on? I think I should give up today. But yeah, thank you very much for watching, guys. Unfortunately, this one didn't turn out that well, but it is part of the wood turning journey. I didn't want to just film all the stuff that I've done that turned out well. I wanted to document everything, virtually my blog in wood turning, my wood turning journey, as I've called it, and as you've probably heard about 20 times. But yeah, thank you very much to the subscribers that have come over to me.